Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. I kind of have a blank canvas somewhat. I did put a lot of my regular decor back, but not all of it. And the house still looks really, really empty to me, especially since I have no blankets like on my couch and stuff. I did bring out some stuff. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff on my table. Over there, I have a bunch of stuff on this piano bench, and I also have a bunch of stuff right here on my couch. I brought this plant out of storage. I'm going to need to dust desperately because it is really dusty. I'm going to probably just put it in the shower real quick. I have a few things from the thrift store, some stuff from Hobby Lobby, just like old stuff that I've had. Where's all my cat lovers at? Here's Willow. And here's Sophie. She's usually a scaredy cat. I have a really quick Michael's haul for you guys. I have this really, really pretty garland of roses, and I just think this is absolutely stunning. It's a light pink, and it's just like, it's like really soft looking. And then the Valentine stuff was all 50% off, and I found these little macaron sticks. I used to think these were called macaroons, and I thought, why are people pronouncing them macarons? And then I googled it, and I'm like, oh, they are something completely different. So yeah, macarons, interesting. But I found these little blue ones. Now I know they're not the best for Valentine's Day, but I'm probably going to use these more for Easter. They had this color too, which I thought, actually, I think for Easter these will be pretty. And I have this little guy. This one's actually really heavy. This was $3.99, so it was $2 because it was half off, and these were normally $4.99, so I got them for $2.50. I am going to pull this off the stick because I want to make it look like a cookie. I did not find any cookies this year for like the sweets for Valentine's, so I'm on the hunt for Easter now. Really pretty pedestal. I thought this was actually not kind of overpriced. I thought this was outrageously overpriced. So I'm thinking if I should keep it or not. It was $12.99 with 40% off, but that's still a lot, right? I did like the fact that it had that gold rim. Did find this little gold bird on a little perch, and I thought this was beautiful. I do love birds. It was also $12.99. I already have chocolates in here, as you can see. These are just little fake chocolates that I picked up from Temu. I love Temu. So before we get started decorating, let's get this place smelling good. I'm going to show you what I use. I've showed you before, but I'm going to show you guys again. Oops. I'm going to show you guys again because it smells so amazing. I love it. I use this Aromatech white tea. It smells so good. The only problem is, and it's kind of a problem because it's $35. It's crazy overpriced, but just a couple drops and it smells so good. It makes the whole room smell like a spa. So I highly recommend. I got it off Amazon. We're gonna start with the fireplace, and I'm probably not gonna talk. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see what I'm cooking for dinner tonight, then stay a little longer, hang out with me because we're making something real good.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay, and I know the rule is like 3, 5, 7 when you decorate, but like I said, we're breaking the rules here. Although, you know what? This is technically 5, so maybe it'll work. Like, do I like the way that looks? Yeah, I think that looks really pretty, and I like it. It looks more finished. Let me give you an overview. I will be adding like little touches of Valentines up on these little shelves and stuff. But when you guys come back for my home tour, which I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to have it up tomorrow right after you guys see this video, you guys can see extra stuff that I added. So let me show you what we did today.
When I was lost and hopeless, when I was at my worst, it's grace that you extended that I did not deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love.
that is all for my video today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Amazed at the depth of your love.
Alright guys, it is dinner time, so if you made it this far, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. We are going to be making chipotle bowls tonight. So the first thing we're going to do is get our rice started. And it's pretty self-explanatory, especially if you're just watching. I'm going to grill a little bit of meat. I'm going to put some butter in here and make some rice and just chop up some veggies. And it's going to be delicious.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. like you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust that right. Don't have to be scary.